What's up, guys? I'm gonna make it quick. So we have another game with the Tropics. I haven't made a hockey vlog in it feels like a minute now, but the last one I made, it was actually a pretty good game. Sometimes I fill in with the Palms, and then sometimes I play with the other team too. We all kind of know each other, we all play against each other, and we all play with each other on different teams at different rinks. I played 2 weeks ago, we won 10-4, but up until like the third period, it was a pretty tight game. They were winning 2-0 in the first period, then we tied it up to end the first period, and then it was teeter-totter back and forth. It was like 3-4, 4-4, and then after that, we just took off, and we ended up winning 10-4 against that team in the red back there. Also, I lost one of my GoPros, so I had to take some time off from doing hockey vlogs just because I didn't have 2 GoPros, and it's hard to just shoot with 1 GoPro. So I have 2 today, and yeah, hopefully I can get some good highlight reel saves and get the dub.
Right before I got my desk. That's a bunch of dumpsters, all of these. That's a hole in one right there. Buck's got eyes. I hate this team, honestly.
It's the worst.
It's dude, they always score the most unusual goals on me. It's weird.
Pretty much 3 shots. 1 rang the post.
Huh?
1 went through his legs.
I thought it was. I was lazy. I just went like this.
All the ones you took in warm-up.
I told Rusty, I'm like, dude, if we're playing fans, I don't want to come. He didn't tell me what team. You knew what team it was. So.
What else are you doing right now, dude?
I'm not doing anything. Right?
Nothing.
I was watching Insidious on Netflix.
What?
Insidious on Netflix.
Oh, yeah,
Such a good movie.
Nice.
I obviously didn't catch it.
fucking hit it over here. Let it go. No.
I don't know what that was all about, honestly. But I'm kind of liking it.
But your scramble shit is fucking awesome though.
It's funny as shit. I'm having a good time.
Yeah.
I'm filming it too.
You are?
Yeah.
Where? Oh fuck
Yeah,
yeah.
I got 2.
I love it.
See? There you go. That's the thumbnail right there.
Right? There we go.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah. That was a fun one.